2010 Nissan Versa. Issue with this one, I believe it needs a flash. On the engine computer, it's got the focus is P1421 code start control. And if you look up 2010 Versa 1421 code start control is stored in the ECM. Make sure there's no drivability symptoms. If there are, resolve those first. And it tells you to reprogram the ECM. So if I go into my Nissan account, click on the programming tab, and if I go back to ECU information mode 9, the first 5 digits are 23710. 23710. So you actually have to click on that. I'll bring the next box up. Oh, and by the way, we're under Console 3 Plus reprogramming, not the blank one. We're doing a reprogram. So the last 5 are EM54 Bravo. We go down here, EM54 Bravo. Click on this hyperlink. That's the old ECM part number. That's the new ECM part number for a 10, my, blah, 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 all that stuff. So now we're going to do next is purchase this and get the Console 3 Plus R2R set up next. Alright, so I got the files downloaded in the right location. I got my power supply hooked up and my key on engine off and my Cardac Plus 3 hooked up. Everything plugged in, computer, power supply. Alright, so now I'm going to open up Console 3 Plus, select my VCMI. Alright, so now I'm going to connect to the VCI, Cardac Plus 3, double click on it, hit connect. Now it's connected via USB. I'm going to go to Reprogramming Configuration. So make sure you read this. It says for reprogramming and programming, install the latest version, which I have. Preparation for ECU. Okay, all that stuff. Confirm it. And next. All right, so now what I'm going to do is hit automatic selection. It's going to read the VIN. Sorry about the noise in the background here. So it's reading the VIN. So we're going to verify the VIN's right. And the car's right. I'm going to look at that next. Alright, so now we're going to hit confirm. It says system call performing. Please wait. Almost there. Take us to the next screen. Hopefully my phone don't die. I'm gonna have to charge it again. Alright, so we gotta make sure that VIN is correct again. Alright, so that's correct. We're gonna hit confirm. Now we gotta pick the module we want to program. Alright, so I'm gonna click on engine now. It's communicating to the ECU. Turn ignition switch to on and then touch OK. It is. So now what we're going to do is go reprogramming. We're going to verify. The part number that's in there is this one. That's the VIN. Hit save. And confirm instructions. So our part number is going from this to this, or no, from this to this, old to new. About 10 minutes it says. Hit next. So connect it to the charger, 13.5 volts, 12 to 13.5, okay. You have all that. So it's doing a self-check. We're at 13.7, 13.6. Ignition switch is on. Everything's good, so we're going to hit start. We got to have user authentication coming up next. So we're going to select our group, which is going to be USA, Canada aftermarket. Because I'm not dealer and I'm not Europe. Hit OK. And I got to type my password in again. 1 second. So now this is your Tweedle account. So I type that in. I hit login. It says your device is not registered. We have sent an email. So I got to click on the link to register my device next. Right, so I got registered. I'm going to hit login. It says transferring data to the VI. Do not disconnect. It's going to transfer from the console program to the VI and then transfer the VI to the ECU. So now it's doing its programming. Well, transferring it from the computer program to the J box. And then it'll transfer from the J box to the engine computer. So now it should be programming. Programming VIs, transferring the data to the vehicle engine computer ECU. So now it's programming right now. It says estimated time 10 minutes. Hopefully this addresses are cold. It needs to be done anyways. I'm going to pause it till it gets farther. All right, continuing the program here, about 40%. All right, we're about 90% coming up here. Hopefully my phone don't die. I know I keep saying that, but I got to get it charged up. So it's pretty accurate. It's probably been about almost 10 minutes. Time it's done. Hopefully everything goes good with this. You got the newest software, version 2.10.41. And it's probably going to tell us to read service data if there's any follow-on maintenance. We'll look up that, make sure. All right, it says 100%. I came up with a screen. I don't think I caught on video, but reprogram and reprogram is completed. Touch next to continue operation. See what it says here. System call performing, please wait. It's like step 13 of 13 is done. %. Come on. I think it's doing its validation. Now it's communicating the ECU, please wait. It says follow the operation guide displayed on the screen and touch OK after all the steps are finished. To cancel, touch cancel first and touch home to go back to the screen. So we got to do some relearns here. Let me charge my phone next. Well, I didn't show it all on camera, but all that idle air learning's done. You can use Console 3 Plus or the Autel. It works. You just got to have it. It's so picky about what temperatures it needs to be at. You got to follow every step, but it learned to complete, learn the throttle. Everything's good to go. So, and again, that software is up to date. So that's it for this video.